Hey guys, thank you so much for tuning back into my channel. It is your girl Princess Jess, and today we are here with a very different video from the content that I put out. Today we're actually here unboxing slash setting up slash showing you guys my aesthetic to my phone. So these phones are sold out of everywhere and they're back ordered till December. However, you know, Verizon held your girl down, so I was able to get mine. So I opened it a little bit just because I wanted to put the screen protector on. So this is the box, this is the phone, and this crap is huge. Right now I have the iPhone XS Max at the moment, and I just decided to get a new phone because, like, why the hell not, you know? I just wanted to treat myself, so we're going to unbox it together. So it comes in this pretty black box, they all do, and I obviously got gold. All right, y'all, so let's open it, the moment of truth. You ready? Because I ain't. And like, I'm in love. I'm so glad that they freaking put this matte. So basically, like, this aesthetic is pretty much like back to when the iPhone 5 and the 5S was out, you know, back in the day. Like, that for me, that was middle school days. Now the phone that I have now, the back is glass, and my phone, when I tell you it's shattered on the back, like, it is like shattered. That's why I really wanted to upgrade and get a new phone, because this phone is done up. Like, it's just the back though. Like, the front functions, everything else works, everything is fine. So this pretty much gave me an excuse to get a new phone. So what comes in the box is obviously the phone. It comes with a little pamphlet slash Apple stickers, and it also comes with the charger. So this charger here specifically only works with that adapter that came with the 11 Pro Max. I don't know the names, I don't feel like getting into specifics. If you're a tech person, I'm not techie, but if you are, then you'll know like what the adapter is called. I'm gonna show you guys the extra stuff that I did buy for the phone. So obviously this is the 12 Pro Max, so I decided to get a case. I'm gonna take it out of the packaging and I'm gonna put it on my phone to show you guys how it looks. This is how the case looks. It's very sparkly, very cute, very pretty. I had to get a pop socket. I love my pop socket. Now, because Apple does not include the adapter like I mentioned before, I decided to go ahead and buy like this universal charger. It's a wall charger, it's 30 watts, and I didn't even know that it comes with a charger itself, so that's really dope. It's by Belkin. I've had really horrible experiences with them, with like my extended cord, but it's whatever. So this is what I'm gonna be using as my adapter, because Apple wants to be stingy and not include one this year, so it's okay. It's all good. All right guys, so I just finished setting up my password. I just finished putting my Wi-Fi password in and all of that extra fun stuff. Now here comes the very interesting part. For those who don't know, or for those who have not yet done it, Apple came out with this dope feature where if you get a new phone, if you don't have enough storage in your iCloud and you can't back your phone up, period, they have this cool thing where they have something called transfer directly from iPhone. So whatever iPhone you're using, all of that data would be able to be transferred over without you having to back anything up, do all of that extra like wires and like waiting for hours for all of your pictures, your music, and everything to re-download. So I'm gonna show you guys that. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen it. If not, you're seeing it here. So yeah. So again, you're gonna go to the third column, which says transfer directly from iPhone. So after you press the transfer directly from your iPhone, it's going to prompt you to put that iPhone that you have next to the new iPhone that you're trying to transfer to, and then it'll pop up on your phone for you to go ahead and transfer it over. So I'm gonna do that real quick and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I'm transferring my data over like I showed you guys. As of right now, my phone is uploading to my new phone. I have completely finished setting up my phone, and now I'm gonna show you guys via screen recording how my phone looks, the aesthetic that I went with, because obviously if you are a subscriber of mine, then you have to know that my favorite color is freaking hot pink. Usually the first thing you'll see on my phone is this first page. So every iPhone usually comes with these apps, so like the calendar, photos, notes, maps, etc, etc, etc. However, I use these apps every day. So I decided to like put them on a screen. Now, one thing I didn't do is put like icons where my apps are, because I really think that's tacky in my opinion, and I don't know, it just wasn't my vibe. So I really went with just keeping, you know, the originality of the apps. So the first thing that I have is, you know, I'm a bad bitch. Have to remind yourself that every day so nobody could try and play you, respectfully. And then I just have like the date and the weather, because I'm always looking out for the weather. I don't know what's going on with Mother Nature, global warming, something is happening, but it's been hot and very cold in New York City. So I just have my weather there, and then I have my extracurricular apps. You can see. Now on this next page, these are my go-to apps. These are the apps that I use every single day, 24/7. I also have the time and the date again, because like, why not? It's super cute, it's pink, and it's huge, just to take up some space for me. So I have Facebook, Twitter. Follow my Twitter. I have my Outlook, that's for school. Blackboard is for school. My Snapchat, which is JOTHIS, and my Instagram, guys. You already know I'm on Instagram all of the time. I have TikTok. I don't really be on TikTok. It's just there just because. Fire Stick TV. If you don't have a Fire Stick, then what are you doing with your life? Gmail, Bank of America, Uber, and my Verizon. All right, so one thing about me is usually all of my apps are in folders, but because I wanted to, you know, deal with more of a pretty phone instead of like a basic phone, I decided to make just 3 pages. Nothing more, nothing less. I only had 2, but I added an extra page just because. So the first thing you see is to always get to the bag, because I am a grinder. That's all I do is work and make money. So I have my personal apps, which is like Transit, you know, MTA, Cash App, T-Mobile Tuesdays, because, you know, my family is T-Mobile, but whatever. I have my school apps, shopping apps, food, extra media, entertainment, my YouTube. After having always get to the bag, I also have just this blinged out, you know, girl. I don't know who this is. I'm pretty sure it's Swati. I mean, I'm pretty sure it's Sweetie. That's how you pronounce her name. Sorry, not Swati, Sweetie. So that's pretty much it. A lot of people say it takes forever. It really took me 30 minutes, and that's honestly because I didn't like switch my icons out. I don't know if that has anything to do with it. Anyways, thank you guys so much for tuning into my channel. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you like my persona, I don't know, because I could be a bird at times. You could subscribe, share with your friends, and I will catch you guys in the next video.